How to change language on Windows 7. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for Control Panel. In here, click on Clock and Region. After you click on Clock and Region, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Region again. Then you'll find Match Windows Display Language. In here, click the language you want, and your display language will be changed easily. After choosing the language, simply click on Apply and then press on OK. And you're good to go. That's how you change language on Windows 7. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.